What if you buy something and it's beautiful, but you know the colour doesn't suit you? How can you make it work? Let's make it work. This beautiful skirt, which I have millions of from Vegan, it's not quite a tint, it's kind of greyed out. And if I put it next to my arm, you say, doesn't kind of suit. But it looks great on me. How did I make it work? It's very simple. The bit that is next to your skin and next to your face, put the colours that suit you. Like white suits me, black suits me. Those are working for me. I'm wearing those, and then furthest away from your skin and your body, put the colour that doesn't quite work. Also, another tip is that because it's a light colour and white suits, you can break it, you can add the white. And I'm just putting this black here because it's kind of peasanty, I'm wedge coring, so that's what we're doing. But that's the way to do it. And underneath, we've got, of course, because it's still hot, my white linen skirt I got from Vinted. And I'm not twirling today, I can just swish. And that is how to make something that doesn't work for you work. Oh, bonus. This is a tone of purple. And remember, tones are made with black added to the hue. And now we have an ensemble. So we have the tints, white and the purple colour, but it's not quite right, but it works because we've got the white and the black separating, and we've got the shade here, which is black, and the colour working. In our mind, we can just figure out that there's a purple. Purple's in my head. And it all works together in harmony because we've got the black and the white, which are making these other two colours, and black and white always work. Bye!